Now let's start discussing what is a sentence. Sentence, which can also be called speech, is actually a combination, a set of words which begins with a capital letter, it ends with a punctuation mark, and there is only three options of the punctuation marks which can be used at the end of a sentence. It's a full stop, or a question mark, or an exclamation mark. I repeat, usually these three punctuation marks are used at the end of a sentence. It should have a subject and a verb inside, and it makes some sense. So I repeat, sentence is a set of words which begins with a capital letter, ends with a punctuation mark. It should have a subject and a verb inside, and it makes some sense. For example, if we write down runs he, runs is a verb and he is a subject. It begins with the letter R capital, ends with a punctuation mark. It has verb and subject inside, as I have told you already. But does it make a sense? So it's not a sentence, it's jumbled up. On the other hand, when we write down he runs, he is capital, ends with a punctuation mark. I repeat, sentence is the one which begins with a capital, number one, ends with a punctuation mark, number two. It should have a subject, he, and verb, runs, and it makes sense, he runs. So only these two parts can also make a sentence. We can expand this sentence when we say he runs fast. What is fast here? Fast is an adverb. So he runs very fast. What is fast here? Very and fast. It's a question. Fast here is an adverb, and fast here a question mark. You got to tell me in comments box. When I say he runs fast, he runs very fast, he runs away from me. Interesting. He runs away from me. So sentence can only of two words, or it can consist other words or parts. So like this, if we know about a sentence, then we can create the structure properly and we can improve our presentation and communication skills with Shaukat Jahan. Allah Hafiz.